Hello, welcome to Stockology, getting started with the stock market beginner series. In this chapter, we are going to learn about neutral candle. Before this chapter, we already learned about bullish, bearish candles, and also we learned about hammer and inverted hammer and the psychology behind it. Neutral candle, as the name suggests, neutral means indecision. So there are few neutral candles. The first is spinning top. First, let us understand how does this spinning top look like. In the spinning top, the body of the candle is very small. It can be of red or green color, and you will notice the wicks, upper wick and the lower wick are usually very small. The candle looks like this spinning top, the toy which the children play. The top, it exactly looks like that, very small candle, and hence it is named as spinning top. Now, what do we understand by looking at this spinning top is that here all the parameters are same. I mean, open, close, high, low. So it will also have those four values. But you will notice the body is of little size, so that we can conclude that neither the bull nor the bear is successful in gaining the strength. So there is kind of indecision. There is no clear cut winner in the bulls and bears fight. So the spinning top represents the indecision, and it is so called as neutral candle. Then we have next candle, which is known as high wave candle. In this candle, you will also notice that the body is very small, like we saw in the case of spinning tops. Only difference is the wicks are very long, generally double the size of the body. So let me revise. In the spinning top, you will have small body and the small wicks. In the high wave candle, you will have small body with the long upper and lower wicks. Why this candle is called as high wave candle is that you will notice while this candle is being formed, price goes up till this point, even falls up till this point, and finally manage to close near its open. So if you imagine it in terms of bulls and bear fight, initially bulls also tried to take the price up, bears too tried to take the price down, but ultimately there is no clear cut winner and prices managed to close somewhere in between. Hence, this also suggests the indecision or neutrality in the market. This also this is also known as earthquake candle. So this is all about high wave candle. Coming to the last type, which is called as doji. In the doji, there are different forms or different names given to different types of doji. You will notice there is no body. You will see that opening and closing is almost the same, and some wicks are there. So you have common doji where opening and closing is at the same point. You will have the high and low points. What does it mean? Price is opened and closed at the same price, and hence it is also suggesting the indecision or neutral. Then you have long leg doji, gravestone doji, four price and dragonfly. The common thing about all these things is opening and closing is at the equal point. So in spite of the fight between bulls and bear, price has not moved in any of the direction. It is managed to be at the same position. So once again, let me revise all the names of the doji: common doji, long leg doji, gravestone doji, dragonfly doji, and the four price doji. In the four price doji, you will notice open close is same. There is no high and no low. So price is opened, there is no transaction, no buyers, no seller, and hence prices managed to close at the same price. So all these dojis are also neutral candle, and they represent the neutral or indecision in the market. So now let us go ahead and check this on the chart. So you will notice all this candle in any of the charts. So right now in front of me I have this ICICI Bank daily chart. So you have already learned about bearish and bullish candle. So all this This green candle is bullish, this red big candle is bearish candle, and whenever you see these small candles with these small bodies, all these are neutral candles. So these are the spinning tops, these are the spinning tops. This is the doji where price open and close is almost the same, and you have the long upper and lower wick. So here you have this inverted hammer. So likewise in any chart on any time frame you will find this all different time frame. Now last point, what do we conclude by the neutral candle? So whenever you see any neutral candle, as we know this is neutral suggesting indecision, that means you have to wait and watch for the next candle to form. Like in this case in ICICI weekly chart, if there was a rally, prices were rising, and at the top of the candle, at the top of this rally, you will see this neutral candle. That means somewhere now there is no clear winner. So any neutral candle at the top of any rally or at the bottom of any decline, you have to wait and watch. It also indicates a possible reversal from this point. That means if trend is down and you see the neutral patterns, then possibly trend can reverse from this point. Likewise, if there is rally and you notice the spinning tops or the neutral candle at the top, the trend might reverse from this point. So this is what we can conclude from the neutral candles. That's it about the neutral candles, spinning top, high wave and the dojis. For the next last single candlestick pattern, we will see you in the next chapter. Thank you.